Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or image as the watch face. Okay, before we start, your smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. Once the devices are paired, we can open the Zep application on our phone. In the application, you should see the home page. Now, let's tap on the profile icon and then select the Amazfit Band 5 from the list of devices. Now, let's tap on the store option right here. And here find the photo watch face category. This one, it's usually at the top. Select the style you like. We have three, style 1, style 2, style 3. This is basically how the information on the watch face will look like. So we have this different styles, as you can see. Select the one you like, and this should bring you to this page. Now scroll down, and you should see the option or category called change the background on the watch face. Tap on the plus button right here, and we have two options: take a photo or photos. If you select take photo, basically it's gonna open the camera app and you can take a photo and use it as a watch face. And if you select photos, it's gonna direct you to the file manager and you can select the image right there. I'm gonna select the second option like this, and here we have the file manager. We can browse the files, find the image we want to use, for example this one. So let's tap on it to select it. Now we can basically crop the image, so we can recenter it. Whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area right here is gonna be on our watch face. We can move it sideways, zoom it or unzoom it to unpinch it, or rather pinch your fingers and unpinch them to zoom and zoom out. And once you're done cropping the image, tap on the select button right here. If you scroll up, you will see the preview of your watch face. Now we can customize it a little further. Basically, we can select the color of the font on the screen of the information. So let's tap on this one to select it like this, but you can select different ones if you want. You can also tap on this last one to open the whole palette of colors, as you can see. Okay, once you're done customizing the watch face, you can tap on sync, and it should start synchronizing with your smart band. And once it's done, it should be applied to your smart band, the watch face I mean. As you can see, it's applied. You can tap on mine right here to see it right here, and you can switch between the watch faces by tapping on one, like that. Oh, for some reason, it's a bit laggy, but after a while, it's gonna be replaced. Okay, and that's how you set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.